music. That's the you heard it here. Girly music rules.
So they act like you guys like each other.
Like put in the chemical X or whatever. Hey guys, it's the professionals, and like today we are at Knott Berry Farm.
We need to film this.
All inside of you, feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move, you make me move. You got it all inside of you.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
And when you dance, I'm in the group. You make me move, you make me move.
We've been here for like 4 hours, and we went on the log ride, which tell me why the wait was like 5 hours.
Wait, because they closed River Rapids.
Yeah, River Rapids isn't open today, and today it's like 1,000 degrees.
It's the hottest day of the year.
Then we went on Hang Time. Then we went on Silver Bullet.
I can't do hang time again.
Okay.
What's your favorite one so far?
My favorite ride in general is Silver Bullet. I love Silver Bullet.
My favorite one so far was Hang Time.
But hang time is a close second. But I love Silver Bullet.
What was your favorite one? So far was Hang Time. I don't know, usually Silver Bullet's my favorite, but the meningitis speed's really getting to me. My favorite one was probably also Hang Time. Oh, and I'm repping my little Peanuts hat.
You make me move, you make me move. You got it all inside.
Let's go, guys.
Feel it to be true.
We stopped for lunch because we're ravenous. I got myself a chili cheese hot dog. Peyton.
Is that the original burger?
Jackie also got an original burger, and Addie got a Sprite. And
I did not get a Sprite.
We're going to log ride again. Okay, and I just got these super cute yin and yang necklaces.
Yin Yang.
Yeah. What do they mean?
Good, evil.
No. Guess which one's good? Guess which one's evil? We're chilling because we're tired, taking a little break, and we'll see where we end up next.
My feet hurt so bad.
Right now, we're going on Silver Bullet for the second time.
This is my friend made. Target. A bunch of random places. This one Jackie made. Target. Converse.
Right there.
We just got this one today. Lauren and I, yin and yang. This is from my grandma. This is from Target. These are thrifted. These are from Macy's. This is from Knott's. This is from Knott's. This is from somewhere. This is from Macy's. These are from PacSun. Shoes are $3 from Nordstrom.
Converse, Target, Mom's Closet, Old Navy, Francesca's, Warner Brothers. Hey guys, so we're starting to get tired, so we might call it a day soon. What do you guys think? Yes.
So we need to tell them about our crazy experience on
Addie shut down the ride.
Stop. Let's tell. Okay, so we get on ride for Silver Bullet. We get into like the whole thing, like the seating part, and I pull down like the seat part, and there's literally throw up on the seat buckle. And I'm like, and it's already like strapped in, like I can't push it back up. So I have to tell the lady, like, there's like throw up on the buckle.
and she goes gets this guy, and he's like, everyone off the ride, everyone get off. Oh, they cleaned the whole thing and sent the empty roller coaster like chair just to go around.
And my seat thing wasn't even going down all the way either. Like I kept pushing it, and it wasn't going down. I was like,
Kind of sketch, but it ended up turning out all right. So I think we're gonna end the day by going on this little train here and getting ice cream, getting some boysenberry ice cream.
this is everyone while we're on the train ride.
Hello, we finally got the boysenberry icy flow. This is what I've been waiting for. Blue raspberry.
Sorry, I'm tired.
So, turns out our adventure here is not over. Jackie and Peyton just went to find wherever Peyton's lost camera is.
She left her camera somewhere and it's gone.
We went through the footage to see if we can find when was the last time she was holding it, and we think it's on Silver Bullet, which is one of the second to last ride that we went on.
Like
So,
at the entrance to Silver Bullet.
right, and the tickets are re-entry, so they're going back there right now. Hopefully they can find it. We'll see. This next segment features Jackie's janked camera. We apologize in advance for the jankness.
Back in us here.
So we just exited, but we're actually heading back in because Peyton, I think, left her camera at Silver Bullet. So we're gonna try and find it. Peyton, tell us what just happened.
My camera back, bitches. Oh wait, I can't say that. I got my camera back, girl.
Okay, so we looked at the bottom, it wasn't there. And then we went up and like checked through the cubbies and it wasn't there. And this lady was like, oh, do you know, like, well, first of all, this guy was like, oh, maybe like just wait because people might be blocking my stuff. So then we went up and this lady comes and she's like, oh, which cubby was it? And then I showed her which cubby wasn't there. She's like, where'd you leave it?
And I was like, oh, like, I don't even think I put it in the cubby. I think I might have left it down at the bottom. And she was like, what is it? And Jackie was like, it's a digital camera. She's like, oh, I have it. And we were like, thank God. And then she went back up and she pulled out, she's like, can you describe it? I was like, oh, it's a Sony camera, like, whatever. And then she looked at it and it was, and then she gave it back. I was like, thank you, you're my savior. Thank you so much. You have no idea how many cameras are on this, or how many pictures are on this thing.
But yeah, I can't believe we got it. I can't believe we found it. 8.
You making
Hot and cold, day and night isn't bad. Okay. Wait, health
Say what you said again.
Lauren has to wear the black yin and yang sign because she's evil.
Oh my god. Everyone always thinks I'm the bad guy. I mean, because you asked
I wonder why.
Stop
I
playing.
wonder-
Stop playing the thing.
Don't play with it.
Stop playing the thing. Why'd you just breathe hard?
Oh.
I'm so little.
You know, on the way to school.
We don't need this.
On the way to school, when I was younger, I used to just spell out little, like the whole ride. I used to just be like L-I-T-T-L. L-I-T. Okay, so little.
That's not creepy at all.
Yeah.
Because it sounds nice.
L-I-T-T-L-E.
Like,
She
it
was
sounds
like,
like,
she was like
nice.
calming herself down because she didn't want to go to school. L-I-T-T-L-E.
Yeah, and I also used to just like draw stars like over and over and over again. And I still do that actually. So this is therapy actually. So
okay.
actually,
So we're actually gonna turn off the camera.
My body in chocolate frosting. 3 years later, I shot the frosting. Smelling like a blossom. Everything is awesome. Step from blood, got new brand shoes. Flow from New England.